Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. Eileen Regina Edwards, famously known as Shania Twain, is a Canadian country pop singer best known for her album The Woman in Me. She is one of the best-selling singers in Canada, second only to Celine Dion. Her album Come On Over is the best-selling country album of all time. Despite her nourishing and successful pop music career, she owns a whopping $13 million mansion in Bahamas. This spectacular Bahamas mansion boasts of 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms seated on a 1-acre piece of land lot that offers 150 feet of beachfront. Its amenities include mahogany-lined walls and bookcases in the second-floor master suite, as well as jaw-dropping ocean views. The house also includes guest bedrooms with views of the beach and the canal, as well as a kitchen with a breakfast nook, butler's pantry, and stainless steel appliances. That leads out to a covered outdoor patio and an access gate to the beach. The luxury home's exterior amenities include a pool house with bathroom and shower facilities. The overall design of this mansion is just extraordinary. Channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!